spiritual path to our second home here at Chattahoochee. Step into your wildest dreams. Welcome to Tomorrow World. Let me introduce you to the world of the Fairy Tale Keepers. A magical place hidden in the world of the unwritten. 1 year ago, the Book of Wisdom opened for the first time. Today, you have the potential to write your share in this magnificent chapter. To achieve this, I need all your energy. Scream from the center of your heart, and let the spirit of the books arise. Scream. Scream. Scream.
Welcome to my world of wisdom. I am so glad you have come into my world. Over the next few days, I will unveil all my stories. They will inspire you to make your own dreams come true. The creatures of this world have told all the stories ever written, and they have come here to Tomorrow World to share their stories and bring the stories out in you. We now welcome a great poet to the stage. He will show you how stories are written. Please give him your all, so he can give his all to you. Please roar, and welcome to the stage, Chucky.